Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, subscribe, like and comment. Today I'm going to be showing you my first handheld gimbal for my mobile phone, which is the DJI Osmo 3 mobile, the combo version. So as you may or may not know, I'm off holiday. I was supposed to go to Japan, but that didn't happen. So I'll be using it on my first holiday trip, 2020. So let's open this baby up and have a look at what we got inside. No more. 2 packages. Just open it up. Osmo case, which is similar to the one we have on the Mavic Pro or the Mavic Air. Let's look inside, shall we? Nicely compact, foldable gimbal. Well, it's lighter than what I expected. It's smaller than what I expected. I'm having trouble folding it. Here we go. Okay. It's got these latches where it will fit in properly, so you've got to make sure you've got to line them up. Okay, looks really nice. That stops it there, so there's a little bit of notch here that stops it from going all the way. I'm left-handed, so I've got I want to change my hands to the right-handed, so I can use the zoom function. And here it is, the baby. So you got the M button here, the shutter button here, to move the camera around, I suppose, is that one. The battery indicator here, the zoom function on there, and the trigger function on here. Okay, you got a little notch for the strap, if there is any, I'm not sure. And obviously, once I got it up and running and I'm on my holiday, the next video is going to be using the gimbal to video things, I suppose. Yeah. I shall see you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Comment as well. Thanks very much for watching. I shall see you in the next video.